Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming world progression and funds. You need the right NPCs and coins. First, open your map and locate the arms dealer or the relevant vendor. Make sure you can travel to them safely. Once done, check your inventory for bars, wires, or specific crafting ingredients if you plan to craft a detector-type accessory. You're preparing both purchase and crafting routes simultaneously, so you won't stall between steps. Now pursue the actual metal detector. First, visit the traveling merchant regularly since he can sell it for about 3 gold. Timing matters because he appears intermittently. If purchase fails, craft an equivalent accessory by combining required bars and components at a tinkerer's workshop. This gives you a functional detector fast. Also, search surface chests and explore overworld structures because some worlds generate detectors in loot. Make sure to explore methodically while keeping an eye on merchant inventories. Finally, equip the metal detector in any accessory slot. You'll immediately see rarity info pop up when you approach ores or rare items, which speeds mining dramatically. For optimal results, stack detection effects. Use Spelunker or Hunter potions and complementary accessories to widen detection range. If you find the detector not responding, make sure it's enabled in settings, re-equip it, or relog the world. These steps resolve most sync issues and ensure your detector reports correctly while you mine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.